Hey John, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. Here's that short video Manuel and I had promised you, and we want to go over a few things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul, because you can take the tips in this video and you can use these for yourself. All I ask is for a little bit of feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The three things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content. So taking a look at your website here, you guys have an awesome first photo here that really grabs the eye. Content is everything that you can physically read, as well as every single photo that you have throughout your site. And this is important because Google wants to see that you are providing value to your readers, as well as to see what keywords are on and spread throughout your site here. So a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on this home page here to be considered an authority with Google. And then you would want those keywords embedded throughout. One example of a keyword is windshield replacement in Tulsa. And whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that's populating is one ad here for now. And so ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for right now we're going to scroll past it. And so then we come across what's called the Google Map Pack section. 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here, and it's great that you guys are ranking in the top 3 for this keyword because the top 3 get the majority of that 30 to 40% of business. And the reason that you are outranking other competitors here would be because you have a Google business profile. It looks like you guys are doing a fantastic job with your reviews, and so this is really setting you apart there. You want to be keep that up, keep being intentional there. You guys are doing great. And so just to maintain this, you want to make sure this is always up to date and filled out as much as possible, including this about section here. And then it looks like you guys do some updates here that can help as well. So as well as photos. You guys are doing great since you're ranking in this. You just want to make sure that you're maintaining it. And if we scroll past this Google Map Pack section, this is what's called the organic listing. And so the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this section here. And so this is where your website would be ranking. We are at the bottom of the first page here, back into some ads. And it's vital to be on the first page here because over 90% of people will stay on the first page. And so let's take a look at the back end of the #1 ranking business for that keyword. So Tulsa Auto Glass, they are the #1 ranking business for the windshield replacement in Tulsa. And so what we can do is we can take a look at the back end of their website and we can compare it to the back end of your website. So DR and UR, this is the authority and the trust of a website. Tulsa Auto Glass, they have 12 and 35. What makes up these ratings here are the 1,400 backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 160 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, like a shout out. And you want to be intentional here because there are high quality backlinks that will boost these ratings, and there are spammy ones that will bring them down. And why that matters is because you want your ratings higher than your competitors so that you're being boosted to the top of that Google search result there. And so something that does go hand in hand with these ratings are keywords. So your competitor, they have 585 keywords on their website, and they have 568 monthly website traffic as of now. What's really cool is we can do the exact same thing with your website here, have your URL plugged in, and we can see that your rating is 0.1 and 7. What's making up these ratings here are 79 backlinks coming from 15 referring domains. You have 55 keywords on your site as of now with 15 monthly traffic. So what we'd want to do for you is we'd want to add those high quality backlinks to your site so that your ratings are being boosted above your competitors, so that you're showing up at the top of that Google search result there. And we'd also want to add those high quality keywords and those buyer intent keywords to your site. And then that way we can increase your monthly website traffic here. Because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. So we can go in and we can take a look at every single backlink that's connected to your competitors, every single keyword that's on their site. And so here are some examples. Windshield Replacement Tulsa, 500 people are searching every single month. Tulsa Auto Glass, which I think is their name. People are searching every single month. Auto Glass Repair Tulsa, 250 people every single month. Windshield Repair Tulsa, 500. Auto Glass Tulsa, 500. Mobile Auto Glass Repair Tulsa, 50. And we can see that this list just keeps going here of keywords of people that are searching for the services that you provide in your area. So we'd want these on your website and then you ranking for every single one of these keywords that apply to you, because the more eyes that are on your site, the more people that would convert to your customers there. I hope that this short video was valuable and helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.